If you're a lazy girl like me and you really want to achieve that salon 90s blowout, I've got the lazy girl tutorial for you. I'm definitely the type that really doesn't like to enjoy getting ready. I don't know why, but I just feel like it takes so long, and especially when you have to blow dry your hair, and I have pretty long hair, I feel like it takes me like 30 minutes. I'm just not about that. I'm also the type to simplify my getting ready routine. I don't want a ton of different products or gadgets that I have to use to achieve one look. I just want to like get in, get out, super easy. The one tool that I found that has absolutely changed my life is the Amika thermal brush, and it looks like this. And it heats up. I don't know exactly how it heats up, but they say that it's better for your hair because it doesn't use actual heat. It uses thermal energy, whatever that means. I bought this online. It's about $100, but seriously, I know that's kind of a little bit spendy, but it's so worth it. I don't even use my curling iron anymore. I don't really use my straightener anymore. I just solely use this. So I basically just blow dry my hair super quick. The first thing that I do is I section my hair off, and I usually do it in about 3 sections. I'm gonna clip this up. I'm gonna brush it out. Okay, so I just grab a little section of hair, about that big. And the key to this is to curl it going outwards. Like that. I have tried to where I sometimes curl my hair outwards and then in, and I just don't like it as much, so I'm curling my hair away from my face. Hold it for a few seconds, then take it out. This is kind of what it looks like. Cute little flip. And so I'll just keep doing that around my whole head.
To all that they told you, all that they told you, all that they told you.
Okay, so I've got one side done, and this is kind of what the ends are supposed to look like. Not super curled, just, you know, got a little bounce. I'm gonna work on the other side. And honestly, I don't really have that thick of hair, so I'm not exactly sure how this tool would work if you had super thick hair, so just keep that in mind. So basically my technique is just to kind of get my hair smoothed out, and I'll bring it down to the ends and just start twisting so that your hair gets into the curling iron and it doesn't fall out.
In the backseat of your car, head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the
Okay, so this is what the bottom looks like so far. I'm going to push the bottom section back just so I don't get confused, and then start on the second half of my hair.
we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe. Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola. Nice to meet you, nice to know you. Better have listened to all that they told you.
If you hear some weird hammering in the background, that is just Theo. He is building us some shelves in our closet, so I apologize for the noise if you hear.
Why are you so quiet, darling?
And you can alternate using a bigger section of your hair or even a smaller section. It just honestly depends on what kind of look you're going for. It does help to have, you know, different variety.
Nice to meet you, nice to know you. Better have listened to all that they told you.
this is what it's looking like so far. There's a little bit different technique with the top layer. So, just gonna brush it out. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the top layer around your crown and this is a little awkward at first, but you're gonna pull it towards your face to the front, grab your tool, curl it, like this. And this technique kind of gives you a little bit more volume at the top. See? You just push it back. And then with my front pieces, I like to do it both ways. So I'm going to just curl it out.
Head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the walls start to fall.
Okay. We'll do this side.
To a scream. I know we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe.
Like, look how fun and bouncy that is. And I'm going to take my front pieces again. So technically be where my bangs start. And I'm going to do that technique that we did in the back of our hair. Just pull it forward, flip it back. Get some volume up there. And then normally after this I would just spray it with hairspray and it would stay for a majority of the day. And this is the final look. It's super easy, super attainable. It's way easier than to try and do the traditional blowout method with the round brush and then the blow dryer in the other hand. I just feel like this is just way more attainable. And so this is the front and this is the back. I don't know if you can see it as good on camera because my hair is so dark, but it's not curled, but it's not straight. It's the perfect, easy, lazy girl blowout. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow, and let me know if you end up trying it out because I'm telling you, it's changed my life and I hope it can change yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.
To all that